Number 3. Musetex Y6. If you're searching for a stylish yet functional gaming PC case, the Musetex Y6 might just blow your mind. This sleeker-than-sleek case offers a delightful visual experience that sets it apart from many similar ATX cases. Its 270-degree dual-tempered glass panels offer a view of your high-end hardware, and even those action figures you never outgrew. Friends will be secretly envious of your setup. Delving inside, the Y6's internal layout is a gamer's dream come true. Each section is skillfully crafted for easy installation. Snap off the panels without breaking a sweat. It supports a GPU up to 400mm and a CPU cooler up to 176mm high, making it compatible with top-of-the-line components. A top-mounted 360mm liquid cooler and a 200mm PSU? No problem here. Musetex didn't skimp on high-speed connectivity. The upgraded I/O interface includes USB 3.2, Type-C, and USB 3.0, covering all your modern device needs. This means faster data transfers and less waiting. Who doesn't want that? Thermal performance is top-notch thanks to dual-chamber design and pre-installed 120mm fans. The power supply even has its own ventilation channel. Magnetic dust filters on top and bottom add another layer of convenience. One minor downside? Its mid-tower structure may not suit those with super-tight desk spaces. But its sleek, elegant look and high translucent tempered glass panels more than make up for it. In conclusion, the Musetex Y6 blends practicality and elegance in a way that's hard to resist. It's a must-see for anyone serious about their gaming setup.